Alright guys, so we're supposed to be going to Sarah's Creek, but somehow the GPS got me lost and we're in the middle of the woods somewhere. I don't know, so I'm trying to get out and go back to Sarah's Creek. Alright guys, that was Cyrus Creek. I hope you enjoyed the video. I found some pretty good spots. I remember it not being this rough, but it's still, this is a stock, pretty much all stock, a factory FJ Cruiser, and he made it all the way through the mud mountain that he was on one of those side trails that I couldn't make it. I think if I would have better tires, I would have made it, but it is what it is. I didn't want to push it too hard either because I'm by myself. I don't have any of my friends. So I didn't want it to get stuck out here by myself with no signal. So until next time, I'll see you around.